Welcome to the first episode of Ask Better Questions, the podcast that explores automation and artificial intelligence in the world of business. I'm your host, Peter Adams, a fellow business owner, and I'm thrilled to be embarking on this exciting journey with you. So in the spirit of asking better questions, let's start with the most important question. Why? Why should you listen to this podcast? Why should my business consider implementing AI technology? Why is AI relevant and valuable to my specific industry or niche? Why should AI be a better solution than a traditional software or human labor for certain tasks? Why do we need to invest in AI now, and what are the potential consequences of delaying implementation? Why is it important to carefully select the right AI tools or solutions for our business? Why do we need to consider ethical and legal implications when using AI in our business? Why should we continuously monitor and evaluate the performance of AI systems? And why is it essential to ensure transparency and explainability in AI algorithms and decision-making processes? For answers to these questions and others, continue listening because I'm going to cover all of this today. Let's get into it. So why should you listen to this podcast? In the AI space, currently I have heard estimates that between 1,000 and 2,000 research papers are released each week in the AI space. So before anyone says they're an AI expert, consider that this is likely a very specific niche part of the AI space they may be an expert in. I personally have been implementing software automation and big data models for large banks and insurance companies for over 10 years. In the AI space, I've been watching the development of the GPT model since its inception. I don't claim to be an expert on all things AI, but I do have a background and experience in identifying areas business owners should be wary of, particularly with software implementations. And the idea of this podcast is to share those insights with you each week. I'll also be sharing relevant developments and interviews with key movers and shakers in the industry, and also answering your questions. So why should my business consider implementing AI technology? AI can automate repetitive tasks, streamline processes, and optimize resource allocation. Additionally, AI-powered analytics can extract valuable insights from vast amounts of data, enabling data-driven decision-making and better understanding of customer behavior. By leveraging AI, business can gain a competitive edge, increase productivity, and improve overall performance. It's an efficiency gain, not necessarily a headcount lessening tool, although it can be used as such. So why is AI relevant and valuable in a specific industry or niche? Well, AI's relevance and value lies in its versatility across industries. In healthcare, AI can aid in medical diagnosis and drug development. Retailers can use AI for personalized product recommendations and inventory management. Manufacturing can optimize production through predictive maintenance and quality control. Financial services can detect fraudulent activity and offer personalized financial advice. Customization allows businesses to tailor AI solutions to their specific industries and needs. So I think of AI as your intern. You've got an intern, it's showing promise, it has the ability to do amazing amounts of work, and that's great. But like most interns, you have to keep an eye on it because it doesn't necessarily know what it doesn't know. And a lot of times AI can invent data, which can cause all sorts of problems. So why would AI be a better solution than traditional software or human labor for certain tasks? So AI surpasses traditional software and human labor in handling complex tasks and processing massive volumes of data. While humans may struggle with large-scale data analysis, AI algorithms can quickly extract patterns and insights, leading to more informed decisions. Moreover, AI can automate repetitive tasks, reducing human error and freeing up employees to focus on higher value work. So by implementing AI, businesses can boost productivity, efficiency, and accuracy in numerous areas. Why do we need to invest in AI now, and what are the potential consequences of delaying an implementation? The timing of AI adoption can significantly impact a business's success. So early adopters gain a head start in understanding AI's potential and can shape the market by offering innovative AI-driven products or services. Delaying implementation can lead to missed opportunities, allowing competitors to gain an advantage. Additionally, as AI becomes more prevalent, businesses that lag in AI adoption risk falling behind, making it vital to invest in AI sooner rather than later. But that said, there are still reasons to hold off. There is first mover disadvantage. Implementing AI systems without knowing the pitfalls can actually do enormous damage to your business. And some of the pitfalls we'll be covering in future episodes. So why is it important to carefully select the right AI tools or solutions for our business? So selecting the right tools and solutions is critical for effective implementation. A seamless implementation is critical to be able to minimize business impacts that are adverse. Businesses should thoroughly assess their needs, objectives, and challenges before choosing AI technologies. Understanding the specific benefits each tool offers and how it aligns with the business's goals ensures that the investment will deliver the desired result. Moreover, scalability and compatibility with existing systems should be considered to integrate AI seamlessly into the business's infrastructure. For more information on this, go to the website of today's sponsor, Color4 Solutions. Color4 Solutions is a business consulting firm specializing in automation and AI integration. This is exactly the sort of work that Color4 Solutions do, and if you're looking for a partner to come in and help you choose the best AI solutions for your business, I highly recommend you reach out to either myself or David, my other director, and the links are in the description to this video. So why do business need to consider ethical and legal implications when using AI? Well, in a word, privacy. But also there are other legal considerations. You might run a business in one country, have servers off in a different country, have purchased AI from a third country, and be running it with software that's in a fourth country. Who has legal jurisdiction? It's a nightmare in those cases, but I'm sure the lawyers will sort all of that out. The bigger issue is also ethical. You have to look after your business and you have to look after your customers. Privacy concerns must be addressed to safeguard customer data and comply with data protection regulations. Being transparent about AI usage and seeking user consent for data collection and processing builds trust with customers and stakeholders. This is key. Why should we continuously monitor and evaluate the performance of AI systems? Continuous monitoring and evaluation are essential for successful AI implementations. As AI models interact with the real-world data, they may encounter new scenarios or trends not covered during its training. Regular monitoring allows businesses to identify performance gaps, potential biases, or algorithmic drift. By proactively addressing these issues, businesses can maintain AI accuracy and relevance, making the necessary adjustments and updates as needed. So why is it essential to ensure transparency and explainability in AI algorithms and decision-making processes? Well, this one's a good question because transparency and explainability are critical for ethical AI adoption. And why do I say ethical AI adoption? Nobody should really be looking at putting in an AI system that will act unethically and not in the best interests of all stakeholders, being the business and the customers. Many AI algorithms operate as black boxes, making it challenging to understand their decision-making process. To build trust with customers and ensure accountability, businesses should strive to make AI models explainable. And this involves using interpretable algorithms or developing methods to provide understandable justification for AI decisions. Transparent AI fosters user confidence and enables businesses to identify and correct potential biases or errors in the system, leading to more responsible and effective AI implementation. So that summarizes some of the why questions I get asked regularly. Next week, I'll be covering the process of prompt engineering. Now, what is it and how can you use it to create better results in your AI systems? If you enjoyed this podcast, leave us a rating and review. The details of how you can reach out to me with questions are in the show notes. you can visit colorforsolutions.com for more information or follow us on LinkedIn or YouTube for more. Until next week, don't forget to ask better questions to get better outcomes. And I'll see you next week for another episode.